Hi, this is Ian, and if you've been watching my videos on YouTube about Amazon and publishing and selling books on Amazon, you may be wondering, well, is it possible to see you live someplace or to participate in some sort of workshop? And the answer is yes. Usually once or twice a year, I give speaking engagements about this, and the big one that I'm doing this year, 2025, is with IBPA's Publishing University. It takes place in mid May in St. Paul. If you go to publishinguniversity.org, you can find out more information about the different sessions that are available. I'm speaking during one of the pre conference sessions on the first day of the conference that will be on May the 15th in St. Paul, Minnesota. And it will basically be 4 hours. It's a deep dive into Amazon and the publishing programs and what you need to understand in order to optimize your book for more sales on Amazon. If you go to publishinguniversity.org, you can find out all the details and you can register. There are a limited number of seats for this presentation. I've done them in past years, and almost every year it sells out. So if you want to see me live, learn more about Amazon, be able to ask questions, be able to talk with other participants at the Publishing University, this is the way to do it. You should register as soon as possible, publishinguniversity.org. And also, I urge you to check out the many other great programs and sessions that they have at Publishing University, including the wonderful IBPA Awards, which showcase the best in independent publishing every year. This is Ian. Thank you so much for watching.